Hello everyone, I am Anish, and in this video I will be explaining you the prototype based on our Smart India Hackathon problem statement. As you can see, there are 4 folders here: client, vault and server. In client folder we have two things, cache.json and client.js. Cache.json is nothing but a directory to store vault responses so that the client does not have to ask for the same vault response again and again. The client.js contains all the functionalities associated with the client, such as encryption, decryption, vault binding, as well as certificate verification. The second folder is the server folder. The server folder has the public key and private key for signing and verification of the certificates, as well as a function generate certificate that is used to generate TLS certificate, which is used during TLS handshake. The server.js contains all the functionalities associated with the server, such as read TLS material, public key and private key binding, as well as canonical binding functions and certificate verification and certificate signing functions. The third folder is vault folder. The vault folder has public keys and private keys for certificate signing and verification. It also has a server.js which is responsible for all the vault functionalities such as canonical server binding, vault binding, as well as loading the public keys and private keys of the vault. Vault also has another function called storage.js which is responsible for appending the transparency log. This transparency log maintains the accountability and auditability of the model. There is also another directory named vault log, or also known as transparency log. This is where the vault logs all the transactions that are being performed. This also contains the minimum TLS resolution as well as public keys, allowed IP address, and the signature of the server and the vault. These signatures can be later verified by the client and server to guarantee authenticity of the transaction. So this is how the project works. In first terminal, we start and initialize the vault. In the second terminal, we start and initialize the server and generate the required TLS certificate. And in the third terminal, we start and initialize the client. And as you can see here, the client echoes hello. This is nothing but a signal that a secured communication link has been established between the client and server. You can find the GitHub link for this repository below in the description, and thank you for watching.